Time we come here, I don't feel like going to the another event, it's a cherished, integrated services is near and dearest to my heart, what does Joseph say? I've been working with this organization for over decades. I know you've been building this organization for the developmentally disabled clients and also patients and the youth and children, but you have been working for the humanity for the last 15 years, and thank you for doing that. I also like to recognize, with my colleague, Alan Goizia, Regional Councillor, and also the Jas Kapoor. We appointed to him on the OTF, Ontario Trillium Foundation, to look after the not only community, carefully look at the application, not to reject. Send it to the ministry to be approved, final say. And thank you, Jas Kapoor, for being here on behalf of the OTF. And I'd like to thank you, shout out to the leaders. The Cherish have wonderful leaders not only for this organization and for the humanity. And Sakugo Lamb is a founder and also president, chairman. Chairman's his vision is Ivy Lamb and is a president for your wonderful vision for the